There is something magical about mountains and the winding roads. It makes you forget the city noises and calms you instantly. Our first destination today is Catherine Fall. This waterfall near Kotagiri is a sight to behold.
You are right. The green tea gardens around us fills the air with the sweet aroma of the fresh tea leaves. And this hidden pine forest and the lake that it surrounds. Thank God, not many people know about it yet.
It felt like a day of peace, calm, and joy.
Now, time for some action.
That was enough action. I was very scared when you got down the car to click those angry bisons. I wonder why these bisons are always so angry.
I'm sure you will forget all about the bisons when you reach the place we are staying tonight.
My name is Jyotish Vasu. I'm the manager of operations for Nature Resorts. So we have unique 7 properties in Nilgiris in different teams basically. All the properties having unique characters. So we are talking about one of our property called Tea Nest. Basically, we need to promote the tea tourism. So that's why we are creating a lot of activities which promote tea.
It's a beautiful day today. I'm taking you to our next tea factory visit. Chamraj is one of the most socially conscious tea companies in the country and makes some of the best teas as well.
United Nilgiri Tea Estates Company Limited celebrates its 100th year this year. We have been the pioneers as far as organic production has been concerned. We started with Korakunda Garden being producing the best of the organic teas, both black and green orthodox and specialty teas. We have moved on for other 3 gardens also, that is Chamraj and Devbeta, have been converted into organic in due course of time.
I really love these tea tasting sessions. It is just wild to find so many different flavors and aromas coming out of the same tea leaf.
You know what? I am gonna join these women in plucking some tea leaves myself.
Chamraj has a helipad on top of a hill in the middle of the tea estate. How cool is that?
Wait. I cannot leave without having a cup of tea.
You know tomorrow's plan, right?
Oh, yeah, I'm super excited.
Welcome to Mudumalai Tiger Reserve.
Shh! All the tigers will run away.
Did you realize that the elephant camp we were visiting would become Oscar famous?
Did you know there was this wildly beautiful and insanely scary waterfall in the middle of Mutumalai? I think I love this Nilgiri tea trail of ours.
Then where to next?